How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Electrolux Induction Cooktop with E9 error. So just a brief explanation. Basically, this indicates that a hardware fault is in the electronic module, user interface board, or the internal temperature sensor. This code is commonly triggered by communication breakdown between the board's internals, overheating, or liquid boiling over onto the touch panel control. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply perform a full power reset. Now, to do this, you want to turn off the power. Since most inductions hub or hardwired, you want to locate the main household circuit breaker and flip the switch off. Wait for around 30 to 120 seconds, or basically 2 minutes. And then right after, you can then restore the power by flipping the breaker back on and see if that fixed the problem. Right after, you want to dry the control panel. Basically, moisture on the touch interface is a frequent cause of the E9 error. So if hot water boiled over or you recently wiped down the surface, liquid may have trickled underneath the glass panel right here. So in order to fix this, you want to keep the cooktop power off. You want to use a clean, dry microfiber cloth truly dry the touch sensor. And if the moisture got stuck, or if the moisture got into the internal components, you want to let the unit sit for a few hours, and you can just let it air dry before turning it back on. And lastly, you could just check for overheating. You want to remove all cookware from the hob. Ensure that the ventilation slot beneath the cooktop are completely clear, and allow the unit to cool down before completely using or testing it again. And so those are the ways in order to fix this. Fixing it further will require you advanced technical hardware mechanics, or basically a professional. So you want to go ahead and proceed with caution. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.